The news comes to you compliments of the National Bank of the Virgin Islands, Digicel, Cyril B. Romney Tortola, Pier Park, Nagico Insurances, Banco Popular, Simply Secure, and NV Salon, Spa, Nail, and Barbershops.
You value traditions. You value music. You value education. Family.
I love you.
Service.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Love. Life. At Popular, we're committed to you and everything our community values. For the things you value the most, count on us. Popular.
Absolutely astonishing. Now here come Watford.
BVI world record attempt here.
And here comes Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt storming.
Stop.
Think
Before you act.
before you act.
Think before you act.
Press releases from the Ministry of Health and Social Development has attracted retort from the management of Medicure Laboratory about the status of PCR and antigen testing in the British Virgin Islands. The government released on July 15 that the Dr. D. Orlando Smith Hospital is the only facility authorized and recognized by the Ministry of Health and Social Development to conduct PCR testing and antigen testing in the Virgin Islands at this time, and quoted Acting Chief Medical Officer Dr. Ronald Georges as saying, quote, "The hospital has undergone validation exercise over a period of several months, and the testing process has been developed and reviewed in conjunction with the Caribbean Health Agency, CARFA, and Public Health England, PHE," end quote. A subsequent release on July 16, the Ministry of Health said that they are working with the management of Eureka Medical Clinic to bring their PCR testing capacity online in a safe and effective manner, and quoting Dr. Georges again as saying that the ministry has had an initial discussion with Eureka Medical Clinic to have additional PCR capability available in the territory by reaching out to the Pan American Health Organization to provide the necessary support to ensure that the necessary biosafe and quality aspects are independently verified and are in place prior to starting of testing. Yesterday, July 18, via a 4-page press release, Medicure Laboratory refuted the claims of the Ministry of Health. They stated that within the last 2 weeks, Medicure Laboratory started doing PCR testing for the COVID-19 virus, and 2 days ago added rapid antigen lateral flow testing as well. They claimed that Eureka Medical Clinic built a specimen collection center in the parking lot area to ensure safe and efficient sample collection for patients. These developments, according to their management, appeared to have prompted the 2 press releases by the Ministry of Health. Quoting the private medical facility, "These press releases made a number of statements that put the Medicure Laboratory and Eureka Medical Clinic in a bad light and strongly suggested that both institutions are acting in a cavalier and irresponsible manner as they both try to improve their public's access to PCR and rapid antigen testing during this deadly surge of COVID virus infection in the territory. Thus, the management of both institutions have thought carefully about how to respond to these indirect allegations with a view to defending the hard-earned good reputation of both institutions, at the same time educating the public on the realities of COVID testing in the British Virgin Islands, and importantly, to respect the authority and oversight that the Ministry of Health has for healthcare in the territory," end quote. Now contacted, Dr. Eskate Vantapool said that the government's release has resulted in patients expressing concerns. Nonetheless, many continue to use their services. The full details are attached above. With this JTV News Update, Kathy Richards.
Absolutely astonishing. Now here come Watford.
A world record attempt here.
Bolt going down. Here comes Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt storming.
We know that where you choose to bank matters, and it is your vote on what your funds do in strengthening our community. As your official Bank of Paradise, we invest and support the lifeblood of our economy by helping in the realization of personal goals for homeownership, education, and entrepreneurial visions, which support small businesses. We make it our place to connect with persons and worthy causes, and we have been doing so for more than 30 years. Where your money goes and what your dollars empower are your choice. And we thank you for choosing us, a bank that gives where it matters the most, for you, for our community, and a happier tomorrow. The National Bank of the Virgin Islands.
Stop.
Stop. Stop.
Think.
Before you act.
Before you act.
Think before you act.
You value traditions.
Today.
You value music. You value education. Family.
I love you.
Service.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Love. Life. At Popular, we're committed to you and everything our community values. For the things you value the most, count on us. Popular.
Our reliance on digital systems has opened new vulnerabilities to sophisticated cyber attacks. Simply Secure's security management solution helps overcome these challenges. Our service includes 24/7, 360-degree protection for all computers and servers with automatic restoration, security audits, and penetration testing. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Contact us at info@simplysecuregroup.com.